Now, hello children, again I welcome you all to the session for English language. In the last session, we were doing directed writing. We had done how to write an article, then we had done reviews, that is book review and film review. Now today we are going to do how to write a cultural review of a cultural program. Review of a cultural program. Now children, you must be wondering how to write a review of a cultural program. First of all, whenever if you are asked to write about the review of any cultural program, you should have in-depth knowledge of that culture. If you have depth knowledge of that culture, then only you will be able to write the review of the cultural program. For example, if you are going to write a review on the program held according to Indian culture, then you should have good fair bit of knowledge about Indian culture. If you don't have that knowledge, then the review will not be appropriate. It will not appeal to the readers. It will not be correct. So you should have a deep knowledge about any culture, about whose program you are going to write a review. Having deep knowledge is very important. Then you should know about the rituals or the you can say the rituals or the procedure that we follow in conducting any such program. The rituals or the traditional procedures, Then you should know about the participants, or you should know about the people who were the part of that program, about the cultural program about which you are going to write the review. You should be clear about the participants or the people who had contributed to that program, or who were the part of that gathering, or who were there in the program. Participants, then how is it related to our culture, how the program is being related, how the program is associated with our culture, how it has been combined together to depict our culture, how it has gelled together to depict our culture. You should know that. Then give your then once you know all this, it comes under having deep knowledge. Then once you know all this, once you cover all these points, that is having deep knowledge, knowing about rituals, traditions or procedures that are being taken out in that particular cultural program, then the participants, then you should give suggestions. If you feel like giving any suggestion, if you feel like there should be some improvement, then according to your analysis, you should give suggestions for improvement, recommendations or suggestions. Recommendations or suggestions. Then how you should write such a review that it should excite younger generation, that is the people who will follow you, your review, to become part of such programs. You should write a review in such a manner that they understand, and then they also understand the significance, and they also contribute in such programs. Review should be written keeping in mind the influence that it will have on younger generation. See children, I have told you that firstly you should have great knowledge, you have in-depth knowledge about whatever program you are going to write a review. First of all, you should be fully aware of that program. That is how the reviews are written. First of all, we make ourselves aware of the program. Then after that, you should know about the rituals, the traditions and the procedures that are related to that program, that are performed as a part of that program. You should be aware of those rituals. Then once you have come to know about this, then you should know about people who participated in that program, or who were the part of that program, or who formed the program, you can say. Who were the participants, or who were actually the unit of that program, you can say. Then you will give your, then after that, once you have done all this, then you will give your recommendations based on your analysis, based on your evaluation. If you feel like giving any recommendation for the improvement of a cultural program, then you have to give your recommendation, and whatever reviews you give, it should be given keeping in mind that your review is going to influence younger generation to become aware of the culture. So whatever reviews you give of any cultural program, you should keep that in mind. So these are the points that we should keep in mind while we are writing any cultural review. Now children, see, all the reviews or all the directed writing portion, we follow a certain format. So now we are going to do the format that we follow for writing a cultural program. Now format for writing a cultural program, format. If we talk about format, we always follow a particular set of format that has been provided to us previously to write any review. So for cultural program, first of all, what you should do is, this format for writing a cultural program is very simple, and you can write it easily. So the format that you should follow is, you will firstly write if the program, for example, is conducted on 8th of October, you will write October, you will write October 8th, then you will write the place, Lucknow, and then you will write your review. This is how a cultural program is reviewed, keeping the points that I have already told you, keeping those points in mind and following this format. A cultural program, a cultural review is written. I hope this is clear to all of you. If it is clear, give thumbs up. Now whenever a cultural review is asked, you are not supposed to write this. Please don't write an application. Application is not at all required. Reviews are, in reviews we follow different format. In application there is a different format followed. So please be very clear that if a review is asked, then you should be writing review only, not anything else. Now let's move and let's see what we are going to do next in our directed writing. Now children, I am going to read out one cultural review for you all. A cultural program, October 23, Amritsar. The Understand Your Roots Club of your city organized a cultural program on 22nd October 2020 in the open fields. The function was inaugurated by Mr. A.K. Anand, the Minister of Cultural Affairs of our state. The purpose of this program was to connect the young generation with their cultural roots. This cultural fiesta was started with the singing of religious songs. Local singers sang these songs as melodiously that the people were swayed by them. The chief guest laid stress on the importance of such cultural programs. Dance and folk song competitions were held. Students of many schools participated in these competitions. A dress competition was also held, in which traditional dresses were exhibited in a beautiful and impressive way. The people were busy in enjoying various programs and delicious dishes. There was hustle and bustle everywhere. Every nook and corner was full of life and colors. The valedictory lecture was given by the Education Minister of our state. He gave away the prizes to the winners and organizers. He reminded the people that we must be close to our roots. The modern youngsters, he said, were mad after the Western culture, whereas the Western people really like our culture. It is our culture that can give you strength and solace. Really, it was a great endeavor to popularize Indian culture. So this is how a cultural review is written. You will write about who all were present, what all competitions were held, in that program, and what happened after that, how did the people enjoy that program, and then what were the benefits of that particular cultural program. So this is how a cultural review is written. So I hope it must be clear to you all. Now let us move on to the next topic.